Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you. I'm talking about generation 2010 to year 2015, and even if you have a later one, if you have a 2.4 GDI engine, you need to remove or replace serpentine belts. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that, and we'll talk about the belt diagram as well. And one common mistake that people make that can cause actually quite a bit of damage to your engine, so make sure to stand till the end and we'll explain what it is. Let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that, guys? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy new belt, parts, tools for your Hyundai for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we share all the links to the tools, parts, and where you can get parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's the 2.4 GDI engine. Now this is out of this Hyundai Sonata you can see right here. With the engine out, we can actually demonstrate everything with a great detail, because when the engine is inside, it's hard to show it. Now you have the engine mount right here, okay? That's how it will be in the engine. You need to get a tool that fits, okay, the tensioner. There is actually a low profile wrench that can fit, but usually you can do it with a wrench, longer wrench, okay? You can reach it, and this, in our case, it's 14 millimeters. So you go counterclockwise, you release the pressure of the belt, and you remove the belt, guys, okay? And you can see it comes out. This is the belt, okay, right here. Now I'll recommend every time you're replacing the belt, replace the tensioner pulley. We replaced it not too long ago, and idler pulleys as well, because those are weak spots on higher mileage engines. And if you need a belt, I'll recommend to go with the whole kit. We have a video why you may have a noisy belt, why a belt may fall off, so check it out, it will be on the channel. So let's go ahead, put it together and show you the diagram now. So we're going to go ahead, get the belt. Now it goes to the AC compressor. From the AC it goes to the alternator. That's the routing diagram. Now you need to make sure you get in every possible canal you can. So I'm going to leave this one for last. Okay, let's put it on just at first, okay, until we route the belt. From the AC it goes to the crankshaft pulley, from there to the tensioner pulley. Now I'm going to go ahead, okay, and remove it from top. We're going to install it on the tensioner pulley. Okay, like that. Now careful not to pinch your fingers under the belt. We're going to go counterclockwise to get the tensioner, okay, to release the belt, and we install it. Now, common mistake people make, you gotta make sure that it aligns everywhere, okay? It's in every groove where it's supposed to. If the belt is off, what can happen? Fall off. That will be the best scenario, even though you may overheat your engine if you're not paying attention because you have the water pump. Number two, if it doesn't fall off, it may start destroying the belt. It can get caught in the crankshaft seal, which can damage the crankshaft seal, alternator, AC compressor in some cases as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.